Deal was good, and you get a free. They had a good variety of free tool or 2 free tools that you get. Now, what they should have done this year to top off last year was this. All right, now right here should have been the kit. What number is this? The P251 Brushless Hammer Drill, the P238 Brushless Impact, a flashlight, a fast charger, a 6 amp hour battery, and a 1.5 amp hour battery or a 2 amp hour battery. So this should have been the $300 special sale. All right, now the other companies are $300 to $350. Now the other companies did something equal to that, which like DeWalt had a $400 sale. Pretty much this without the flashlight for $400, and you got 2 free tools with that. Now this should have been Ryobi's $350 sale, and you get 2 free tools with this kit. So this would be the top. This would put their best at its finest with the good sale. Now the 2 free tools, just like last year, add all your brushless stuff to it, and then you're good. And then they would have been much better off than this year's, because I seriously saw this year's sale, and it was extremely disappointing. It's like, why develop new tools for a Black Friday sale when you already have extremely good tools to offer? Now this $350 for this. Now by itself, the Brushless Hammer Drill is $150 with a fast charger, 4 amp hour battery. This itself, tool only, is $99, $25 flashlight, and to get this by itself, it's $44. So $350 with a 6 amp hour battery, a 1.5 amp hour battery, flashlight, and a fast charger. That would have been a good sale. That would have been an extremely good sale. And so, because a lot of people with the DeWalt, a lot of people bought the DeWalt kit because it comes with the 6 amp hour battery flex, and people would have bought this because it comes with the 6 amp hour battery. Now that is just, I would have been so excited about this sale. Now, just like with all the other tools, their main kits were the hammer drill. Just like all the other brands for Black Friday, they had the hammer drill and the impact, because these are the 2 main tools that people buy. So if you add all the brushless tools for the free tools, that would have been perfect. This is for their 2 free tool kit. All right, this would have been perfect for the 2 free tools. For the 1 free tool, just like everyone else, they do the $150 for the 2 3 amp hour batteries. Except what they should have did was have 2 4 amp hour HP batteries instead of the 3 amp hour. So that would have just thrown that sale through the roof. People would have bought that like crazy, because people aren't going to buy a 4 amp hour HP battery if they already have 3s. But if you add that, they would have added the 4 amp hour battery to the sale, it would have been done. Alright, so now let's talk about the cheap kit. Because every tool had a bottom cheap kit. Now this would have been a perfect $250 kit. It's Black Friday. It's supposed to be, the prices are extremely good to get new buyers to buy your product, get a new customer. This would have been a perfect kit. P238 with a 1.5, the brushless hammer drill with a 3 amp hour battery and a fast charger. This would have been a perfect $250 Black Friday sale kit. Now, you don't get free tools with this. You get $250 for this. So then that would have made Ryobi's Black Friday sale go through the roof. But instead, they decided to make those, which I bought. I bought the $150 kit. But they should have, this is the path that they should have went to. Big time. 100% big time. Alright, so this combination of tools would have been good because the Ryobi Brushless Hammer Drill is a good hammer drill for the home consumer, and the brushless P238 Impact, the 1/4" hex. You know, these two tools alone are the best standard tools that they got that the average that everyone buys. Everyone always needs a drill and an impact. Those are usually the first tools people buy. So this would have been a fantastic and perfect kit, and have every brushless tool you make on that display for a free tool, because people will eat up the brushless 7 1/4" circular saw and the brushless reciprocating saw. These are the two free tools that I would, if I were a new buyer, these are the two free tools that I would get. I would get the brushless reciprocating saw, and I would have gotten the brushless circular saw. Now this $350 for all this, hell yeah! I would have, if I, like last year, I would have eaten this up like crazy. But they had because just like last year, it was $250 for the lower end brushless impact and drill. If you sell the higher end for $100 more with a 6 amp hour battery, I would have eaten this this sale up like crazy. I would have eaten it up more than last year. And so, like, the Ryobi just messed up compared to Milwaukee, DeWalt, Rigid, and Makita. This is the direction Ryobi should have went to, and they messed up. Instead they give you the same deal that they had in Ryobi days, and they make a brand new kit for Black Friday that is brushed. It's like, why even make brush tools now? Because the direction is brushless. So that's the direction that they should have went with, and they messed up, because this is what I would have, if they would have sold this, and I never bought tools, this, out of all of those deals, I would have bought this. And because they didn't have this, I would have went in a different direction. So yeah, this is David Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.